Hello. It's too cold to get all the things set up, so your challenge today is to find a newspaper article or an old magazine and a pen, highlighter, pencil, who cares what, and find 3-letter words hidden inside bigger words. So like Birmingham has got ham in it, and together has got get and her, and maybe tog if you feel that that's a word. It's a measurement of heat, isn't it? I've got a book here. Let's see, we've got sheet has got she in it. But the big thing is celebration time. Whoop whoop. So I've got you some. There you are. Chocolate. I'll put them there for you. Chocolate buttons, because today I heard the 3 ex-pupils who were all in the same group and used to sit exactly where I am here, have all today heard that they've got into Cambridge. Boop, boop, boop. Well done, gentlemen. And I think actually the other 3 in the group are going to do particularly well as well. Happy days. Have another chocolate button. Bye. Oh, wrong button. You'd have thought I got good at this by now, wouldn't you?